ever to get a customer face-to-face. People just aren't physically walking into stores and offices like they used to. Finding customers online is now more important than ever before, of course, and Facebook ads are the most powerful way to reach those people. Now, Facebook ads can get you all the sales and leads that you want, but the only catch is you have to do them better than the competition. Why? Well, if you do the same thing as everyone else, you will only end up spending money with no or little results to show for it. This, in fact, is the story of almost every Facebook advertiser out there right now. They're struggling with high ad costs, low click-through rates, and lower conversions. What else do you expect when you do the exact same thing as the rest of the 1 million marketers in your niche? That just doesn't work. All you've done is get into a bidding war with the competition, a race to see who will lose more money faster. It's time to change this. It's time to move to AdPlify. AdPlify is the ultimate Facebook ads toolset that puts the power of 7 premium Facebook ad products into one place. If you have been a serious Facebook advertiser, you may have been paying for one or more similar tools that are in AdPlify separately month after month. AdPlify brings everything together in a massive and powerful bundle. The first AdPlify tool is the Page Watcher. With this tool, you can track any competitor on Facebook, and whenever they release a new ad, you get notified. You could follow competitors, gurus, top advertisers, and virtually anyone you want and get their ads in real time. No need to spend all day trawling through junk ad libraries filled with ads that are outdated and irrelevant. With AdPlify Page Watcher, you only get the freshest ads that you want to see. Next, you have the Page Targeter. Ever wished you could take the audience of those giant Facebook pages in your niche and advertise to them? Well, that's what this does. Just search for any keyword and you can find the top pages in that niche. You could take their public audiences or even use them for content ideas and inspiration. The next tool is the AdPlify Hidden Audience Finder. This amazing tool gives you access to tens of thousands of audiences that you can't find in the Facebook Ad Manager. These are audiences that virtually no competitor is exploiting, and when you hit them with a targeted ad, you are going to get a higher click-through rate and conversions. Now, AdPlify also gives you a complete behavioral retargeting system. So that means you can create an audience of super prospects based on how they behaved on your website. Factors like how long did they stay, how much of the page did they scroll, which section did they read, and many more. This way, you can target the most engaged users on your site and save tons in ad costs and get higher conversions. AdPlify also has email list to audience automation. Now that means you can connect your autoresponders to your Facebook audience, and whenever you get a new lead, it's automatically synced to your target audience in Facebook. That's huge. Your ads will start running to every lead immediately, letting you strike the proverbial iron while it's still hot and claiming the maximum sales and conversions. But that's not all. AdPlify also has a very powerful ad decorator. Now, this is a unique tool that helps you quickly stylize your Facebook ads text to make it instantly more noticeable and prominent. With the ad decorator, you'll be able to create show-stopping ads that compel your target customer to pause and read. What you get is a higher click-through rate and more customers. And ultimately, you have the ROI Calculator, a powerful tool that will let you project Facebook ad spending correlated with your profit and tell you exactly what to expect when you scale up your ads. Now, with these 7 tools together, you'll be able to reduce your ad costs amazingly and at the same time increase your click-through rate a huge amount. Conversions and sales will increase, and you could do all of it from one single place. Yes, no need to buy 7 different platforms and log into 7 different websites to do what AdPlify does. We've just put everything together here and given you access to everything in one easy-to-use system, just one. And guess what? We'll not only give you AdPlify, we'll also show you how to get incredible results. AdPlify comes with comprehensive video training that shows you how you can get measurable results today. You'll learn all the tricks, methods, and systems to get more conversions and sales with lower ad spend using AdPlify. Now, at this very moment, your competition is paying hundreds of dollars a month to multiple platforms to do what AdPlify can do for you single-handedly. They are being billed for hidden insights, tracking ads, finding audiences, behavioral retargeting, and they are paying happily because they know the difference this makes. But not you. You could get everything at a very special price if you act fast. Right now, AdPlify is on sale, and you could get it for a price you might never see again. Act fast, and you will get a commercial and agency license as well, which authorizes you to use AdPlify for your clients. Track ads, do behavioral targeting, find audiences, and create amazing ads for anyone you want with AdPlify's commercial and agency licenses. You know how hot Facebook marketing is right now. Everyone wants a piece of it. Give it to them and charge per gig or a monthly retainer. It's totally up to you. How hot is the market? Just do a little search on Fiverr or Freelancer and you'll see. You will find tons and tons of jobs. People are desperate to hire marketers like you for their ads. Don't wait any longer. This offer does not get any better than this. Get your AdPlify right now. You're protected with our 100% satisfaction guarantee. If you don't like the amazing difference that AdPlify makes to your business growth, just tell us within 30 days of your purchase and we will refund all of your money without any hassle. Don't keep your growth waiting. Get the most powerful Facebook ads toolkit right now. Click on the button below and get instant access to your AdPlify.